Hi everyone, welcome back. In the previous video, we covered AWS delivery stack. In this video, we will cover Cloudflare delivery stack, and then we also see the difference between these two options. So in this one, the inner CDN and the pipeline are combined in a single service that is using a Cloudflare worker. I will just show in the image so that we understand it. So but basically the inner CDN and the pipeline, they are combined, and then we are calling them, there is a single service which is on Cloudflare worker. The CDN will be of Cloudflare, that bring your own CDN option is available in this delivery stack as well. And then the inner CDN on Cloudflare uses worker KV instead of Edge dictionary. In the AWS option 1, we have the Edge dictionary option, and I think it's nothing but the edge location concept in AWS. Here in this we will have the worker KV, which is nothing but the worker KV is nothing but the storing and the reading the content globally, right? I think it's latency wise it's more reliable. Yeah, the worker KV data store used for data storage, and it allows to store and retrieve data globally. And in this option we will use Cloudflare R2. And if you are aware of S3, AWS S3, it's kind of same. Of course, I mean concept wise it's same for Content Hub. So in AWS one we have S3, and here in Cloudflare option we have R2 for Content Hub, where we have three buses: media bus, content bus, and the code bus. And let's understand this diagram also. So everything is almost same. Here also we have author documenting, putting things together in Google Drive or SharePoint location, and then using the markdown adapter. We have the REST-based services in Helix admin. Once the preview happens, it will go to storage. In the previous option, in the AWS option, we have AWS S3 here. Now here we have Cloudflare R2. That pipeline services is combined here. I will just show the another picture also so that we can compare them side by side. But what will happen once the preview is happening, the media, the assets, etc., and then content is going here, code is being pulled from the GitHub repository. And in this option also, the inner CDN, the preview pages will be available here once the content is converted to hypermedia. And then instead of edge edge location, here it is called edge dictionary, but I think same, we have worker KB, right? And then outer CDN is same, bring your own CDN is same, cache, etc., everything is same. Here also for ops we are using the same Google BigQuery or Coralogics, Rum collector, etc., everything is same. Just the difference lies here where the storage is changing, and then the instead of the lambda functions we are using worker. Now I have opened both the architecture in parallel. This is the Cloudflare one, this is the AWS one. Yeah, so if we see what is the difference here, in the Cloudflare one we are using storage as R2, here S3, same, buses are there inside. And the pipeline services, okay, if you see the inner CDN, right, in the AWS one the pipeline services are here, but here it is combined. Within inner CDN we have the pipeline services also, it is basically Cloudflare worker. And I'm assuming, I'm quite sure, here the pipeline services are on lambda function, here they are on the Cloudflare worker. The concept is same, it's just the naming convention is different on different technologies, right? So just to remember, if it is asked in interview, in Cloudflare version, the pipeline services are merged with the inner CDN. Thank you so much for watching. Stay connected.